on a zoom, zoom ride with cars and boats and planes so wide. Join us now and sing along with Kooky Kiddos and this fun song. Zoom, zoom, here we go. Fast or slow, rain or snow, trains and planes up in the sky, boats and cars go rolling by. Here comes the train, here it goes. Choo-choo, them on the track, clickety-clack and coming back through the tunnel round the bend. Train rides never seem to end. Choo-choo, clickety-clack.
Got to know, some trains go faster than airplanes.
Now let's ride in a car so bright. Repeat, all red and blue, green and yellow, racing too. Vroom, vroom, fast or slow with care, cars can take you anywhere. Vroom, vroom, beep, beep. Cars have engines that turn fuel into motion. That's how they go vroom. Let's fly high into the sky. Some the wings so wide. Up we soar and down we glide. Clouds below the sky so blue. Airplanes take us somewhere new. Zoom, whoosh. Planes can fly super high, even above the clouds where the air is thin. Sail away on the ocean waves. Marsh, splash, splash. Big blue sea, a bobbing boat sails up high, dolphins play. We cruise along in a watery way. Splish, splash, toot, toot. Boats can have sails or engines, and some are big enough to carry thousands of people. Zoom, zoom fast, zoom, zoom slow. Trains and boats and cars all go. Airplanes fly and ships will sail. Let's all ride the travel trail. Which vehicle do you love the most? Let's go for another ride soon. If you love cars and boats that zoom, planes that fly and trains that boom, hit subscribe and stay in tune with Kooky Kiddos. See you soon. Kooky Kiddos. Zoom, zoom, zoom.